Tutorial 8, Other Features. This tutorial introduces some other useful features users may find useful when navigating the portal. Number 1, question mark icon. You can click this button for Tableau support. Number 2, bell icon. You can click this to show any notifications you may have received. Number 3, your initials icon. You can click this button to go to My Content, My Account Settings, make this My Start Page, and Sign Out sections. For the My Content area, this will display all the dashboards that you have created. For the My Account Settings, this will show your current account settings. By clicking on Make this My Start Page, if you want to see a specific dashboard or page as the loaded screen every time you sign into the Analytics portal, you can click this button and choose OK on the pop-up. The current screen will now be your start page whenever you log in.